Which number is larger? Here we have two powers, 3 to the power of 75, 2 to the power of 100, and we have to find the one which is larger. Okay, to get the larger number, what we need to do is that we have to get the same exponent for both the powers over here. For that, consider the existing exponents 75 and 100. What is the greatest common divisor for 75 and 100? That is 25. So that is, we have to get 25 as the exponent for both the powers. Okay, now let me take the first power, that is 3 to the power of 75. Since our aim is to get the exponent 25, we have to write this exponent 75 as a multiple of 25. Then it can be written as 3 times 25. Here, two values are multiplied at the exponent. Whenever two values are multiplied at the exponent, one of the values can be taken as the exponent for the existing base, and the other value can be taken as the exponent for the whole stuff. Now, let me take this value 3 as the exponent for the existing base 3. Then we get 3 to the third power. Now we can take this other value 25 as an exponent for the whole stuff. Actually, this is the power of a power rule in exponents. We can evaluate this 3 to the third power. 3 to the third power means we have to multiply this base 3 by itself for 3 times, because we have the exponent 3. Then we have 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. Okay, so we got the value of 3 to the third power. It's 27. We can take this exponent as it is. Now we have to do the same thing for the second part, that is 2 to the power of 100. As I said earlier, and our aim is to get the exponent 25. So we have to write this exponent 100 in terms of 25, that is as a multiple of 25. We can write this 100 as 4 times 25. Now we can take the first value 4 as an exponent for this base 2, then we get 2 to the fourth power, and we can take this 25 as the exponent for the whole stuff as we have done over here. Now we can evaluate the value of this 2 to the fourth power, that is 2 to the fourth power equals 2. We have to multiply this base 2 by itself for 4 times, because we have exponent 4. Then we have 2 times 2, 2 times, okay, let me write 2 4 times. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16. The value of 2 to the fourth power is 16, and we can write this exponent as it is. Okay, here I got the same exponent for both the powers, that is 25. Now to find the one which is larger, we have to compare the bases 27 and 16. Clearly 27 is larger, and we got this one from 3 to the power of 75. So in the given two powers, 3 to the power of 75 is larger.